We had the chance to catch up with John, a recent Fireside customer who had come into our Blue Ridge location looking to get some ideas for his new home. John was interested in a wood-burning stove, and the team helped him pick the right product for the perfect fit for his beautiful home. How did you hear about us?
Yeah, so I actually heard about you through Facebook. I'd seen some ads online, and I just decided to come in and see what y'all were about. We had just purchased a new home, and we were looking to get a wood stove because we currently have propane heat, and we had kind of looked to subsidize some of the cost of propane and just to use it as a hybrid system on and off throughout the year.
How was the in-store sales process?
Yeah, so Carl actually talked me through several different stoves, and he was able to get me the different prices between the different stoves, gave me an estimated install cost, and just kind of gave me all the information the day that I walked in.
Did you feel any pressure to buy something, or how was the sales process?
So the sales process at Fireside, I really felt really natural walking in. Carl really just let me browse the selection, kind of let me get the feel for the store before I actually inquired about which stoves I was interested in. And then he provided me with the quotes with install for each stove that I was interested in.
How'd you feel about the ongoing communication throughout the process?
The communication with Fireside was seamless. They really were great all along. They kept me informed. They told me about install. They told me and provided quotes in a timely manner. I was very impressed with their communication. After selecting the Low-Pi Endeavor, they actually came out and helped me pick a hearth pad size. They really helped me select a location for the stove. We had several different options of where we could place this, and they really kind of led me in the right direction. Installation day, they showed up on time. Their communication was great. They set up. It was like they never even were here. It's like we came in and then there was a stove, and then they were hanging pipe 20 feet in the air, and it was a very impressive feat. The best part about dealing with Fireside was the ease of install and the great communication. Knowledge and experience is kind of what led me to go with Fireside. They made me confident in picking a stove, and they made me confident that they would be willing to install this and be a professional company. If you're interested in a stove, I highly recommend Fireside. So I actually have fired it up. It is mid-July, and you're supposed to get it to 400 degrees, and as soon as I did, the AC went out. So here I am with this 400-degree stove, testing it out and curing it, and it made the house about 100 degrees.
So it worked pretty good.
It definitely works.
Thanks, John. The stove looks great, and we hope you and the family enjoy it for years to come. Thanks for choosing Fireside Hearth and Home Shop.